of recent incident at the Red Fort, the investigation agency cannot be curtailed of their right to investigate this matter. However, we are getting breaking developments now that Delhi Patiala House Court has sent 4 of the accused to 2-day police custody. Court has said that 13 other accused, including a girl named Shrestha, will be sent to judicial custody. Tomorrow is when the court is going to hear the bail applications that have been moved by the accused. Delhi police have submitted that police custody is needed to find other accused in this case and to unearth the larger conspiracy, along with finding out who is providing the funding to these people.
20-year-olds raising slogans are terrorists for them, while marital rapists roam free.
The police sexually assaulted us and no action is being taken against them.
20-year-olds raising slogans are terrorists for them, while marital rapists roam free.
The police sexually assaulted us and no action is being taken against them.
Panka, there you can hear those accused saying that police have assaulted us, but Priyank just showed us an entire detail of the medicals that have been conducted. How true are these allegations in face of that medical report which says that there are no fresh injuries to any of these?
Well, these are statements that were made while the accused were being taken to the lockup after they were produced before the courts, and in view of the medicals that have been coming out, where it has been said that no fresh injuries have been found at the body of any of the accused. These allegations are mere allegations, we can say, and it has to be seen during the trial. When the trial goes on, whether these allegations that are being leveled do have some substance or not. But before that, these are mere allegations that can be said that these accused are leveling while they were being taken to the lockup after the court had pronounced the order where they had where the court had sent 13 accused to the one-day judicial custody and had sent 4 of the accused to police custody. So these allegations are mere allegations. That is what we can say while seeing what these while these accused were being while these students accused were being taken to the lockup after they were produced before the after they were produced before the Delhi Patiala House Court.
Okay, and what exactly is this larger conspiracy that the Delhi police was arguing about, that they need these people to be in custody because there is a larger conspiracy that they might want to unearth?
Well, yes, this larger conspiracy, the Delhi police had submitted that they want to find out as to who are the people who are providing these guys funding and who are the people who are brainwashing them to go and say those kind of statements where they're eulogizing Hidma in a protest which was going to be regarding pollution. So they want to find out as to who were the other people also involved, because it was also being said that there were photographs and CCTV footages where it was shown that there were other 4 or 5 people who were sitting over there along with these people who have been, these accused persons who have been arrested by the Delhi police, and they want to find out as to who those 4 or 5 people were who were handing out these placards which were being displayed during the protest and which the statements which were being made during the protest. So they want to find out as to who these people are and who's the mastermind behind it, who's sort of brainwashing these students, the so-called students, the Bhatka Hua Yuva, to go out there and say those kind of statements when they don't even know who Hidma was. So these are the statements, these are the submissions that the Delhi police had made, and they had sought for the police custody for 3 days. However, 2 days have been granted for regarding 4 of the accused, and the rest of the accused have been sent to one-day judicial custody, and they will be produced tomorrow. And when their bail applications will also be heard by the court.
We'll explore further what do these allegations mean with Priyank, but let's, for our viewers, once again play out what these accused actually said.
20-year-olds raising slogans are terrorists for them, while marital rapists roam free.
The police sexually assaulted us and no action is being taken against them.
20-year-olds raising slogans are terrorists for them, while marital rapists roam free.
The police sexually assaulted us and no action is being taken against them.
Priyank, 2 questions there. These are the future. These are people who are the future of this country. In an anti-air pollution protest they speak of bringing back the reign of Maoist murderer Hidma. Today, when they are being taken away after being sent to judicial custody and police custody, they're talking about marital rape. And then they say that they have been assaulted by the cops. And you just showed us the details of their medical reports. What do you make of this?
Priya, I would say that these are the same set of individuals who have tried to vitiate the atmosphere, and certainly they are not the actual representative of the society, because you can see the handful of them who have been arrested by the Delhi police for their action when they were caught on camera. They were raising slogans in favor of Hidma without understanding that that could be punishable offence under the section of UAPA. Everyone has been reading about Hidma since the Times Network broke the information regarding him being eliminated by the security forces successfully, and he was the main mastermind. So I would say there are a bunch of individuals who will try to initiate the atmosphere, but the biggest part of the good part of our democracy is that it deals with this kind of set of lumpen elements of the society with the court proceedings. That is what is happening. That's why the court has sought it very much feasible, the argument from the Delhi police side, to send these accused to the police remand and the rest of them to the judicial remand till the time the bail argument is being heard by the court officials. But the fact of the matter is that, as you've also tried to understand from Dipankar, the Delhi police wants to look into the larger aspect. Let me tell you why. Because there was an organization, Bhagat Singh Kranti Sena, which had initially organized a protest, which was cancelled by the Delhi police. Then there were two set of organizations. One is Hemkund. The second one is Bhagat Singh, BECAS. If I rightly remember that particular name. These are the two organizations which handpicked the individuals, and they infiltrated into the politician protesters who were there on the street for genuine cause. That's why it took Delhi police a good 1 hour to remove these protesters without realizing that they were holding the placards in the name of Hidma. We can understand there could be an unawareness among the Delhi police lower rank officer, but the moment the message reached to the senior officials, when they saw that these protesters are sitting with the pictures of Hidma, they were very much swift to remove these protesters.
Right.
And
whether
then
this is just ignorance or deliberate brainwashing, that is what police is currently investigating. Thank you, Priyank, for joining us with those details.